everybody, and welcome back to Southeast by Midwest. I'm Cassie, and today we are going to be working on the Sweet as Summer collection from Lights Lacquer. Now before we get into this collection, I do want to talk to you a little bit about what the channel is going to be from now on. So as you know, I took a very long break from YouTube. However, I have not taken a break from blog posting and doing blog reviews. The reason that I took the break off of YouTube is because I just did not have the time. I did an internship over the summer in 2019, summer of 2019. And during that internship, I got a job at the place that I was interning. And I literally finished my internship August 10th. And then we literally packed up our stuff, got everything situated. We sold our house in South Carolina. And we drove across the country with our, at the time, 9-year-old Great Dane, our cat, our bearded dragon, and 2 of our birds, and then my mother-in-law and me and my husband. And we drove from South Carolina all the way over to California, and I started work on September 9th. And we started on September 4th. We now live in a apartment. I work 40 hours a week, and I'm also going to be starting school back to get my bachelor's degree. The reason I'm telling you this is because from now on my videos will be filmed like this instead of face-to-face for the most part. Just because it's easier for me to, like, in the morning before I start work, film a quick video, or after I get off work or on my lunch break, film a quick video like this instead of having to set up everything, get the lighting just right, the backlighting just right, and everything like that to film face-to-face. And still do the blog post. Also, on top of that, you'll notice in the comment section down below that there is no longer a comment section down below for my YouTube videos. If you want to leave a comment about this content, you will actually need to do the extra steps to click the blog post link in the description box and head over to the blog to leave a comment. I do not have time to regulate 2 sets of comments and social media comments as well. And my niece watches these videos. So if you want to leave something negative, you're going to actually have to take the extra step. And if you want to leave something supportive, a thumbs up, sharing it, and going over to the blog is a good way of doing that as well. Because since I'm a smaller YouTuber, I do not get monetization through my YouTube. However, my blog does have ads. So going over there and leaving a comment on the corresponding blog post actually helps out, even if you can't use the affiliate links or anything like that. So now that I've explained how this is going to work, let's actually jump into the Sweet as Summer Lights Lacquer collection. Alright, the first shade we're going to be talking about here is Cherry Jelly. This is the red polish in the collection, and this is supposed to be a jelly formula, a kind of like a see-through jelly. This is 2 coats of cherry jelly. As you can see, it is still very transparent. If you want an opaque polish, this is not going to be the way to go. But if you're looking for that kind of see-through still, but having some color to it, this is going to be good for you. Now the next shade that we're going to be talking about is this one here, which is Who Loves Orange Soda. And for Who Loves Orange Soda, this is that kind of, as you can see, really bright orange. The camera actually is not giving justice to just how bright neon orange this is. This is actually a matte finish, and I want to say this might be one of her first matte finishes. Next is Slice of Life, which is kind of apropos. It's this bright yellow shade. And this one is a cream finish. So this is just like her regular normal polishes. And this is the swatch for it. Next we have Now and Later, which is this kind of sour apple green kind of shade here. And this is another one of the jelly finishes. Even though it doesn't look it in the bottle, the cherry jelly, you can actually kind of see how it's transparent, but with the Now and Later, you really don't get that vibe from it. So here is the actual swatch. for now and later. And it's, again, not as bright as what it is in real life. Next, we have Berry, which is this really bright blue shade. This is another one of the cream polishes, so your typical nail polish for this one. And that is what 2 coats of it looks like. The last polish in the collection is My Jam, which as you can see is this bright purple. And again, this is another jelly finish. So, but it's still not as obvious as it is with the cherry jelly. And this is the swatch with 2 coats for this. As you can see, very transparent. So these are all the polishes in the Sweet as Summer collection right here. And hopefully you found this video fun and informative. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Make sure to subscribe and head over to the blog and tell me out of what you saw, because obviously it would have been better for hand swatches. But let me know which ones were your favorites out of these. Which ones would you pick up? Would you pick up the whole collection, or would you only pick up like the 3 jellies, the 2 creams, or the 1 matte? What would you pick up? Let me know over on the blog. And until next time, bye.